Well, finally, welcome to Etrelya Designs, the intersection of fashion and decor. I am Etrelya, a fashion artist. And first, I'm going to give you a little background information on me, show you a little bit of behind the scenes of what it is that I do. And then I want us to come back here so that we can discuss what you and I can do together in 2022. Designing for me is like breathing fresh air. It's interwoven into the fabric of who I am as an individual. Whether I'm using my old favorite tools or learning to use new ones in order to take my creativity to another level, it's always exciting for me. I also love mixing mediums together, like adding acrylics and metallics to my designs. But my favorite main medium is leather, because of its beauty, sustainability, and my ability to morph it into unique designs that people love. Oh, and yes, as you can see, I'm also a hat addict. It's my accessory of choice for sure. As for my collections, they include geometrically shaped leather belts and handbags, leather jewelry and bow ties, leather abstract art, and my fashion stationery and content creator planners, all available on my website and Amazon. Let me jump right into what this channel is going to be about in 2022. First, fashion. Second, decor. And then third is what I want you and I to do together: build a creative solopreneur community. So as I mentioned earlier, one of the main goals for my channel is to build a strong creative solopreneur community. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes at times when I'm creating, as well as introduce you to the community that I'm a part of already, of various artists and designers and entrepreneurs and boutique owners. So I look forward to doing that, as well as meeting new creatives such as yourself. So if that sounds like a community that you'd love to be a part of, I would love to have you, because I can't build it by myself. So please hit that like and subscribe button, and also that notification bell, and meet me back here at the intersection every week. So listen, I don't know where you all live, but where I live, it was about 60 degrees about a week ago, and now it's down to 30. So the first thing we're going to discuss, that we have to discuss, are winter coats, but not just any winter coats. I'm going to introduce you to some designers that I know that you don't know of, as well as different stores that you may have never heard of, because this is going to be about boutique versus department store. I am so excited, and I look so forward to you being on this fashionable journey with me. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Spread the word. And we'll meet up here again next week at the intersection. And until then, be unapologetically unique. Spread the word. Tell everybody. See you soon.